friends, today we are going to start with a new lesson which is mensuration, and we are going to first of all begin with its formulas. We will be learning about 7 to 8 types of formulas in for example first cuboid, second cube, and so on. So let us begin. First of all, we have the formula of cuboid. Cuboid is a three-dimensional structure. Basically all the types which I have included in this are all of three-dimensional types and not 2D. Cuboid in two-dimensional is known as rectangle, and that only in three-dimensional is known as cuboid. So let us begin. First of all, volume of cuboid, it is length into breadth into height. This is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height. So volume equals to this into this, which is length into breadth into height. Now second, we have vertical surface area. In cuboid and few others, we do not possess curved surface area, as they do not have a circular side, and therefore since they have a rectangular or we'll say cubical side, they have vertical surface area. So their vertical surface area would be twice length plus breadth into height, as you can see over here. Next one we have is total surface area. The total surface area of cuboid is twice length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, or length into height. Now last one, which is the diagonal of cuboid. So diagonal of cuboid is nothing but under root L square plus B square plus H square, which is under root length square plus breadth square plus height square. Now let us move on to our next one, which is cube. Cube is also a three-dimensional structure, and it is mainly derived from square. It is a three-dimensional structure of square. Now let us see. The volume of cube is L cube, which is side cube. Second one, we have vertical surface area, which is 4L square, and third one, total surface area, which is 6L square. Fourth one, diagonal, which is root 3L. Here L means side. I'll write it over here. L equals to side. Let us move on to our next one. So this is a cylinder which we are going to learn formulas of. In cylinder, this part is known as radius, R, as it is the distance between the center and the side of the circle. This one is height, and we have one more thing in action, which is pi. Let us learn. Here we have a curved surface area, as it has a curved side and not a square or rectangular side like the other ones. So the formula of cylinder is pi r square h. The curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi rh, and total surface area of cylinder, which means the total area of the cylinder is 2 pi r plus h, and its area of base, since its base is a circle, it is pi r square. So next one which we are going to learn is frustum of cone. So this is a frustum of cone. It is basically a cone chopped from the upper part. So here we have two radius. This one is known as R2, this one is known as R1, and always R1 is bigger than R2. Okay. Now first one, volume of frustum of cone. This one is very important. It can come in your board exams. It is that 1/3 pi bracket R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2 the whole into H, or some of you may be having this H here also, so both are correct. Next one which we have is surface area, curved surface area, which is pi bracket R1 plus R2 into L. Here L is the slant height. Next we have is total surface area, which is pi R1 plus R2 into L plus pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. Now fourth one which we have is its slope. So L equals to under root H square So let us once again revise the formula of slant height of frustum of cone. It is L equals to under root h2 means height 2 h square plus r1 means radius 1 minus radius 2 the whole square. Now let us move on to our next one. Now next which we have is cone. The frustum of cone is basically derived from this cone only. We'll just have to chop it off from this part. So r is radius, h is perpendicular height, and L is slant height. Now we'll be learning its volume, which is 1 upon 3. See again, 1 upon 3 pi r square h. See, 1 upon 3 pi r 2 times means r square into h. Next, curved surface area, pi r l, because curved surface area is this part and not this one. It does not include अंदर वाला part. Total surface area, pi r l bracket r plus l. Next one and the last one, the formula for slant height, it is L square equals to h square plus r square means slant height square equals to perpendicular height square plus radius square. Now let us move on to the next one, which is sphere. So as you can see, this is a rough diagram of a sphere. Now the volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube and not square, pi r cube. And second one, surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square and not cube, 4 pi r square. This upper one and just this one square will be out. Now we'll be learning the formula of hemisphere. As you can see, this is the diagram of hemisphere, basically a rough diagram. It includes almost 4 to 5 formulas. So let us see. So this is the formulas of what do we call it, hemisphere. This is the volume, this is the surface area, this is the total surface area. So this is the curved surface area. If only surface area is given, then you will consider it to be curved always. So volume 2 upon 3 pi r cube, curved surface area 2 pi r square, now and total surface area 3 pi r square. Hope you noticed one thing, that it is so easy. Surface area 2 pi r, this cube will become square, and total surface area 3 pi r, this cube will become square. Now last one, which we second last one I'll call it, it is length of arc. This is the length of the arc, and this is the radius, and theta, measure of an arc of central angle. So its formula is L equals to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. So friends, that's it for today. We'll be learning the sector of circle and one more formula in the next session. So hope you understood and learned something from this video. Do like this video, share with your family and friends, and also subscribe to this channel Intelligence Quotient, so that we can keep bringing new videos and you can keep learning from this channel. And also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and bye bye.